Welcome to Norway, a country shaped by nature in every direction. Towering mountains, ancient glaciers, fast-moving rivers, and deep fjords define the landscape. But some of the most memorable places aren't marked with big signs or crowded with tourists. They're quiet, a bit harder to reach, and all the more rewarding because of it. These are the places where you slow down, breathe deeper, and just look around. In this video, we'll show you 3 hidden spots where nature takes the lead and everything else fades into the background. Let's begin our journey. Odda sits deep in the Hardanger region, surrounded by steep mountains, waterfalls, and the icy fingers of the Folgefonna Glacier. Once an industrial town, it's now a quiet gateway to some of Norway's wildest landscapes. Just outside town, the twin waterfalls of Låtefossen crash down beside the road, a rare natural spectacle where 2 streams join mid-air before hitting the rocks below. This area is also the starting point for Trolltunga, a legendary rock formation that stretches out like a tongue above the fjord. It's one of Norway's most iconic views and a magnet for hikers from all over the world. Here, the landscape feels powerful and ancient, shaped by glaciers, carved by water, and still full of life. Tucked high above the fjord, the Woodnest Mountaintop Cabins offer a stay like no other. These modern treehouses blend comfort with raw nature, panoramic views, forest all around, and the stillness of the mountains just outside your door. Runde is a remote island off Norway's wild Atlantic coast. Connected by a single bridge over open sea, it offers a rare mix of raw nature and peaceful isolation. The cliffs along the coast are rugged but beautiful, and the walking paths take you past open views of the sea and gentle hills shaped by wind and weather. Every summer, more than 500,000 seabirds come here to nest, and none attract more attention than the puffins. With their bright beaks and clumsy charm, they crowd the cliffs and fill the sky. The weather can change in minutes. Fog, sun, and salt spray mixing in a way that feels raw and real. This is nature in motion, wild, alive, and always shifting. One of the island's more unique places to stay is Batavia Dream, a small seaside cabin with sweeping ocean views and a footpath leading straight to the cliffs. Quiet and tucked into the landscape, it feels like it belongs to the wind and the sea. Tucked deep in a narrow valley at the western end of Lake Bandak, Dalen is a small, quiet village surrounded by steep mountains and dense forest. It marks the end of the road and the start of a slower, more grounded way of experiencing the landscape. Lake Bandak stretches long and narrow through the valley, its calm surface reflecting the hills and sky above. It's part of the historic Telemark Canal, once used for transporting goods between coast and inland, now a peaceful route for boat trips and quiet exploration. A couple of hours away by car, the powerful Låtefossen waterfall drops over 180 meters into a narrow gorge. It's one of the most striking waterfalls in Norway, and the new viewing platforms offer dramatic, close-up views of the water and the surrounding cliffs. This part of Norway is shaped by nature on a large scale. Mountains, water, and forest coming together in a way that's both impressive and calming. For a unique overnight experience, consider staying at the Fjellpuss Treetop Igloo, a glass dome raised 5 meters above the ground. Inside, it's cozy and heated by a wood-burning stove, Outside, it's nothing but pure nature. There's no electricity or running water, making the stay simple, authentic, and deeply connected to the surroundings. Sometimes the most unforgettable places aren't the ones marked on a map. They're the winding trails, the hidden lakes, the moments when the light hits just right. In Norway, nature doesn't ask for attention. It simply exists, wild, still, and endlessly alive. So if you visit, take your time. Pay attention to the small details. This is a place best experienced, not rushed. And if this journey spoke to you, like, subscribe, and join us for more stories from the remarkable corners of the world.